get your own space. A lot of you are thinking, oh, how the hell do I do that? Well, that's what I thought years ago. I've been into property for quite a while, commercial and residential. And one of the things that I've learned about that is now when I walk down the high street, there's so many empty properties. There's lots of empty properties because people are going out of business. And that's due to, yes, people shopping online. Wages have been frozen for over 10 years. There's more things to occupy our time in the house, so we don't have to go out. So there's lots of vacant spaces which are there for you to go and take. So when I say get your own space, we've taken on a space in Southend, which is where I'm based now, and we took on a shop, and nobody was there. Nobody had used it for 3 years, so we approached them and said, look, we'll bring footfall to the town using culture rather than retail. And they said, yes, you're going to have to pay service charges and you'll have to pay rent. But the caveat, because I knew about property and some amazing work that I'm doing with an organization called Respace Projects. They basically respace properties, empty properties, and turn them into community hubs of innovation. You can use them, the community can use them for free if they're not funded. There's so many amazing things that they're doing that I've been learning from them. That's how I ended up getting this space. So we've just actually, Respace have just won the an award for the best use of space from the I'll come back, I'll put the link in. I can't remember who the thing was from, but actually we've also had Noam Chomsky comment on the work that we're doing at Respace. Anyway, going back to getting your own space. Landlords, this is probably a fact that a lot of you don't know. Landlords, if they've got an empty property, means that they're paying business rates. That means it's costing them money when it's empty. So your approach to a landlord of an empty space is, we'll stop you, we'll save you thousands of pounds a year just by being in your space as creatives. Now, not a lot of people know that, and this is something that I'm really eager to start to build a network. So if you need more help with that and thinking about building this network that is also going to be digitally connected, you need to get in touch with me. You need to get on it. And again, I know 99 out of 100 of you are not going to do anything about it. But that one of you that's interested in getting your own space that you can then hire out, that you can then make your creations in, that you can then build a community around your space, get in touch. Because myself and Respace, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing now. We've got a project in Gillet Square if you live in Dalston. We've just had a one in Peterborough that we've closed down. We've got this one in Southend. We've got another one in Canning Town that we're just closing down. Because sometimes they're temporary spaces where people are there for a short time and then we move on to the next project. Yours could be the next one, so get in touch.